Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones back with another video on my channel, all things investing and finance. And as you can see, we're down about $250 today. And to be honest, everything's pretty steady in my portfolio. The only thing that's having trouble is Tesla, of course, which is down, I would say about $35 to $40 a share today. And so that's where our loss is coming from. Not something that we're particularly worried about, as our average for Tesla um, is $222 a share. So we have plenty of profit to rely on while Tesla decides to be volatile. But just wanted to go ahead and update you guys on that. With that said, I hope that you guys are having a great day. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you and God bless.